Hello everyone! If you watched my recent video, you saw that I redid my entire bedroom, but there were a couple parts that I did miss, which were my closets. I have two closets. This one extends to the length of the entire wall, but there is this closet. I literally can't even open it! And this is the closet we're gonna be redoing today. This is so bad.
Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you. Hoping it's far away.
That was kind of smooth. No. Donate, sell. Those are the labels for today. All of the stuff in front of the closet needs to go before we can destroy this closet. So quickly, we're just gonna go through all my clothes, and how I'm doing it is I'm feeling it and I'm deciding, like, does this make me feel happy? Does it excite me? When I look at it, do I go, ooh, I can't wait to wear that? Or do I go, that might be good for Coachella someday when I go or something? Like, oh, don't show them your booty. Come on, be respectful. And that's my biggest issue. I really love this. Is just, oh really, wow, I really love this. Like, I can never say goodbye to articles of clothing because I'm always like, oh, let me show you something whack that I'm keeping. This. I hate this. I really would never wear this on a normal day. It's red polka dots, not my thing. But I genuinely believe that when I go to Italy, that there's gonna be a red backdrop and that I'm gonna need a red dress, and that if I get this away, I'm gonna lose my opportunity to take a photo and match that red scenery. It's just so funny what I do. So I hope this is helpful for you guys if you want to clean out your closet. I'm just gonna go through these on a time lapse. This is honestly gonna be so difficult. Keep pile, pretty decent. This is sell and this is donate. Those are just accessories, and that's my baby girl. And these are all cleaned out. So now it's time to go into the closet. My house is really old. My grandmother actually was here living in this house way before I did. So a lot of her clothes are still back here. Like, you guys can see, this is actually really deep. This is actually like a walk-in closet if you took this far out. How there's actually like some shelving up here and everything that I can really utilize. There's potential here. I'm gonna do the same exact thing with these clothes, and then we'll deal with all this stuff.
But a price be the ice pack. Will I ever grow to the guy that I think of? I'ma get this slow as the sky that I dream of.
As I'm going through all these clothes, like, I keep saying joy, 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 and then at the end, I keep thinking that Razor commercial, joy, joy. I'm almost done. Starting to see some stuff back here. Looking good. Not really, but guys, my vision for this is so good. Once this is done, it's gonna look lit. Okay, guys. It hasn't really grown that much more. This is my keep, donate, and sell. The reason why there's so much sell stuff is because I have a lot of like brand name clothes. So this is what we have so far. Like I said, next we have to go through all my grandmother's stuff and get it in a box and give it to her and be like, okay, deal with it. Oh my god, what is this? This is crazy. Like, look, it's all just Christmas decorations. And the floor is blue, which I've never really seen the floor. What the heck? We're gonna use these bags to remove the trash. I don't know how I did it, but I somehow managed to clean out all of that horrendous stuff. Look at this, guys. I got everything out of here and there were no dead animals, but there's a lot of dirt around the corner and it needs to be vacuumed up, and I need to deal with that like old briefcase. I have to come in and do this, and I really don't want to.
These days, it's not easy.
I was kissing you with my eyes open.
It looks better than it does on camera. I took out this second bar and just left this, and I think tomorrow at Walmart I'm gonna get some white bars that go this way. So it's like when you walk in, you have like space around you and you can stand in. This is a hard day at work. How white and pretty she is in there. Oh my gosh, she's gonna look so good. Tomorrow we're gonna put in our hangers, some like organizational stuff. So I'm just so excited for tomorrow to get the stuff and just load it all in there. I need to get out of these clothes. I will see you guys on day 2. Good morning and welcome to day 2. And now we're gonna start moving everything in here. Eek, I'm so excited!
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up,
I've decided that I'm gonna color coordinate everything. I thought it would be more aesthetically pleasing that way.
I was riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul, I ain't this fucking cold, that's just how it goes. These days I'm getting no sleep.
Now that I've got all the clothes in on all the sides, I have to be very careful about what I'm showing you. So I'm holding it up so close because it's very, very close to being done. I just have some touch-ups and, you know, see how this one's white and these are black. Whites need to go in the end, blah, 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 blah. I really want to show you guys how I'm doing the last few steps and stuff, but because it's just going to reveal like how the whole thing looks, I'm just going to finish the final touch-ups in the closet and then we're going to do the big reveal. I made those final touch-ups and I'm just so excited to show you guys. Are you ready? Are you sure? Okay, here we go.
Where I'm from and they show love. Yeah, life rough, but I'm blessed that I woke up. New York City where the young gotta grow up fast or they will not last. When I'm in LA, I be chillin' on Fairfax. I be out in Long Beach, coolin' with a sand ass. Shorty pick me up curbside where I land. Bad Filipino thing, I be like damn. 1 for the folks in the town that I grew up. 2 for the ones that I hoping I screw up. 3 for the kids in the jungle I'm from on the humble. Now I'm on a boat to Bermuda.
Okay guys, now for my favorite part. 1, 2, 3. Like, what is this? Oh my gosh! It looks sick. Even the shoes at the bottom I had lit up. You can do red, ooh girl, and then wacky green. I don't really like green. And then white's obviously like clean and fresh. It really puts together like everything in the closet. And I went for some edge and some darkness on this side, and then for some like light, you know, whites on this side. And that's honestly about it. And in total, I spent about $50. I didn't have to pay for the paint because we already had white paint here and a lot of the stuff. I encourage you guys to like gather what you have at your house and figure out a way that maybe you could redo your closet or a part of your house with what you have, because it can actually be really affordable. You don't have to break the bank account to make a closet. Like, this looks like a $1,000 closet. Maybe that's a little over the top, but still, like, it's really, really nice. We're gonna say goodbye to my baby for now. I can set it for 10 minutes to have on, and then they'll shut off. Goodbye. Ew. It's back to my normal room. Thank you guys for coming along and going on another journey with me of home decor. It's so much fun doing these, and I hope maybe someday we can do this closet and record it too. I'll try to link some stuff down below, but I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to find online. Maybe the LED lights I can find. I'm so happy it's done, and I just can't believe I managed that. Okay guys, I love you you guys. I'm literally just gonna sit in my closet all night and play with my LED lights. If you have any questions, comment below. Like the video if you really did like it. I love it. I'm gonna like it. Maybe not. Is that weird? Thank you guys for all the kind words on my last room makeover video. Stay tuned for my next video. Subscribe. Oh my god, I love these colors.
Baby, shampoo and come and save